Hello and welcome to a short tutorial on sharing. Today we'll briefly show you what the options are for sharing content. You can share content with anyone, even without them having a BrandCloud account. At the same time, you can also share anything with existing users who have an account but, for instance, don't have access to certain content. Now to the sharing itself. We are now on the main page, where selecting folders or documents will unlock the Share option in the Actions menu on the right side of the page. In addition to sharing an entire folder or document, BrandCloud also allows you to share only certain parts of content within a document. Now we are in one, and here we can select the individual parts you want to share with the person in question. Once you have the content selected, continue by clicking the Share button. Here you primarily choose how you want to share your content. If you're sharing by email, in the first place you enter the recipient's email address, which means the persons you want to share your content with. You can of course share content with multiple people at once. In the next section, you can also change the preset subject and fill in some text that the people will receive in the email. Finally, you select the duration for which the recipient is able to view and download the shared content, and at the bottom you can find the option to select the language in which the people prefer to receive the static texts. The second option is to share by link. Use this method if you don't want to send an email to the particular person, but just provide a link to access the shared content. Again, you set the validity duration of the link and the language of the recipient. When you have set all these specifics, you click the Share button, and the link is automatically copied and ready to be pasted anywhere you need. In addition to standard sharing, you will find the option to add selected content to a share list. We recommend to use this feature when you need to share multiple parts of content from different parts of your BrandCloud. It's gonna be shared in one package, without the necessity to send multiple links or emails. The final sharing feature is that you will find a general overview of the content you shared in the notification section. There you can use the indicators to see if the person in question already viewed the content. The blue indicator indicates that the access has not yet been used. The green indicator indicates that the content has already been viewed. By selecting a particular share at the end of the line, you can deactivate your shared link or email, preventing the recipient from any further access to the content. The indicator will then turn gray. I hope this tutorial has made sharing easier for you, and that it's gonna help you to ease and speed your communication and teamwork.